Hola, Denby High School Stucklings. Welcome to day 6 of your Spanish 2 Newport News Public School Virtual Learning Lesson. As always, yo soy la señora Stuck of Denby High School, and I am proud to say that I co-planned this lesson with Ms. B. Taylor of Heritage High School. Go Denby! So day 6, the course is Spanish 2, your vocabulary list. Click here if you have lost your vocabulary list. If you didn't bring it home, please don't worry about it. Here is the entire vocabulary list that we were working on, and notice there's even resources. If you need your resources, they're right here. I even have my phone number if you guys need to reach me, right? So unit is unit 4. We went on a trip, or nos fuimos de viaje. We went on a trip. Nos fuimos de viaje. The topic. This is vocabulary dealing with trains and airplanes and repeated past travel. The modes of communication are listening, reading, and writing. We will have a flip grid soon for Spanish 2, but today we're focusing on listening, reading, and writing. Learning target. Why am I doing this activity, right? By the end of class today, I will be able to describe repeated past travel by plane or airplane. I will know I am successful when I complete a 10-sentence close practice exit ticket. What does close mean? It's a fancy education word for fill in the blank. So engage. That is like our cafecito. I want you to watch this video. It is okay that you will not understand every word. Watch it all the way through just to get the experience of being in an airport. Not all of us have had a chance to go to an airport. You're going to get to hear this lady speak authentic Spanish. She is a real Spanish speaker, and she is in an actual airport, and she's talking to you. It is okay that you will not understand every word. Again, it is okay. Just click on the link. Watch it one time through just to watch it, and then come back and answer these questions, and you may answer in Spanish or English. Spanish is always best, but if you're struggling and you need to do just English, that's okay. 1, what is the topic or purpose of this video? 2, what are 5 things you need before you leave to go to the airport? So put those in there, okay? Number 3, what does the orange sign point you towards? 4, list 5 things you see in this airport besides people and the narrator. And then at 3 minutes and 42 seconds in, what do they show or explain to you? Yes, I know you could just go ahead and click play and jump in and move your cursor all the way, but go ahead. I really want you to listen to the whole thing and hear this person speak real Spanish in a real airport. It's not that my Spanish isn't real, but I'm not native. And towards the end of the video, what is step 5? So again, it is okay that you will not understand every word. Engage is just to kind of get you interested. Hear this language. Have some fun with it. Explain. Please study these vocabulary words or use Quizlet. You can click here. And when you click on this, it takes you to the exact set that you want. Spanish 2, Unit 4, Vocabulario de Viaje. Remember, with flashcards, you can flip them. And you can click on your audio feature so that you can hear it. There's learn, write, spell. You can give yourself a practice test. There's the matching game and gravity. I am looking into seeing if it would be possible for us to have a fun game of Quizlet live. I think we could actually do that. If you truly don't like Quizlet, here are the words right here. You can draw a picture and label them in Spanish. You can simply write them 3 times each in Spanish. You just need to practice them. It's el tren y el avión. En la estación de tren, el andén. El pasajero, la pasajera. El vagón, la vía. En el aeropuerto, la tarjeta de embarque. El retraso. El vuelo directo. Aterrizar, despegar. Facturar el equipaje. Hacer escala. En el avión, el asiento, el auxiliar de vuelo, la auxiliar de vuelo. el chaleco salvavidas, el equipaje de mano, el pasillo, la primera clase, la clase turista, el boleto sencillo, el boleto de ida y vuelta. If you need everything done very clearly in Spanish and English, again, by clicking on that Quizlet set, you can go through and it will read everything to you. Just click on this icon. So it said la primera clase, the first class, and it will read everything to you in both languages. I want you to study and know these words. Explore. Please complete each of the following activities per the directions. If you truly prefer the online practice workbook, you may log in and complete activities 14, 15, and 16. So you click right here. You're going to need to remember your login unless you've already got it connected and had it saved. Vocabulary again. It says, en el avión, escribe el nombre de cada elemento persona. So number 1 goes there. Número 2 goes here. It's set up right here in this document as well. So if you have lost your login, if you're too stressed, if you cannot remember, and you don't want to do the online workbook, you can just type it in here. The benefit of typing it in is you're going to get feedback as to whether it's right or wrong. So comprobar. Oh, look, it doesn't want me to use la maleta. It wants me to use a different one. It says I'm right for el asiento en el pasajero, and it says that I have left that blank. So I wonder what I could have done for number 1. You go up here, and you look through some of these, and you see what you might have used for that instead. And if you don't have your words there, you know you've got them also in your vocabulary list. When you're ready, you hit enviar, which is to send, or you hit reintentar to try again. You keep going. Number 6. There's activity 15, actividad 15, en la estación. Lee las oraciones y elige la palabra adecuada para completarlas. So again, the benefit of going here is if you go to the online workbook, you do get the read aloud feature that is provided through your online workbook that you can click on when you set that up. If you need some help, give me a call. It says, lea las oraciones y elige la palabra adecuada para completarlas. Hay mucha gente en el asiento, andén, boleto, pasajero. I'm going to pick andén. Los blanks suben al tren, pasajeros. Felipe entró en aquel, I'm not sure. Let me guess and see if that's right. Paula prefiere el blank cerca de la puerta. Boom. So comprobar, compare. It's telling me I got 1 and 2 right. I do know what the answers are. I'm just not giving you all the answers. You reintentar, and when you're done, you comprobar, and make sure you hit enviar to send. Back in here, if you prefer to be typing on the document, 1, 2, 3, 4. Activity 16, actividad 16. Normas para viajar en avión. Observa los dibujos y completa las oraciones con la palabra adecuada. Entonces, 1, 2, 3, 4. Los pasajeros no deben estar de pie en el, what's 1? Los blank de blank sirven la comida. Los blank de blank. Ponga el de mano aquí, por favor. Okay, I can see a little confusion here. It looks like 2 and 3 go with picture 2, and that 3 is actually blank number 4. I didn't think about that. But that makes sense. This sentence is sentence number 1 with blank 1. This is sentence number 2 with blanks 2 and 3. This is sentence number 3 for blank 4. And here is a picture 4. It goes with this sentence 4, but it's blank 5. So sorry about the little confusion there. Again, if you're online, okay, los pasajeros no deben estar de pie en el pasillo. Los auxiliares de vuelo sirven la comida. Ponga el bolso de mano aquí, por favor. pueden guardar cosas pequeñas debajo de su asiento. Did I get them right? Comprobar, yes. Oh, apparently I am not right about number 4, so I'm going to reintentar. If you try and try and try and you get frustrated, just hit enviar. I will get your data. This is extra if you want to kind of extend your learning and try a little more. Precios y comodidad, contesta según tu propia experiencia, opinión. You may go ahead and do these if you want, and if you do, just let me know and I will read them. I will give you feedback on all the work you do. So evaluate. Please complete these 10 sentences in Spanish. Use the imperfect tense, what was going on, and what you used to do. That's the aba, abas, abamos, aban, and the ia, ias, ia, iamos, ian. There's also some irregulars, ibas, ibamos, iban. And this one's just unique. So you go to each blank, and you convert the word. You change it so that it agrees with the subject and you use the imperfect. Remember, as always, when you are done, please be sure to click mark as done or submit or turn in so that your teacher can read all of your wonderful work. I really miss you guys. We're getting the hang of doing this online work. If you have questions, comments, or concerns, do post that into Google Classroom so we can get some feedback. We just want to keep your skills as strong as possible. Les quiero mucho. I love you guys a lot. Hasta